Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is all about how to use Notion for learning a new language, your full guide for 2025. So let's dive right in. First up, you need to set up your Notion account. It's a straightforward process. Just head over to notion.so and sign up. The reason we do this is because Notion is the platform we'll be using for our language learning journey. It's a powerful tool that can assist us in organizing our language study materials and schedule. Once you've got your account, it's time to create a new workspace. Think of this as your virtual classroom where all your language resources will be stored. This helps us because it keeps everything in one place, making it easier to track your progress. Now that we've done that, let's create a new page in this workspace and call it Vocabulary. Here, you can list down new words you come across, along with their meanings and usage examples. This is important because vocabulary is the building block of any language, and having a dedicated space for it can help you remember and revise these words more effectively. Next up, let's add another page and name it Grammar. This is where you'll note down any grammar rules, conjugations, sentence structures, and so on. The reason we do this is because understanding grammar is fundamental to forming coherent sentences and mastering a new language. Lastly, don't forget to add a page for practice. This page can include links to language exercises, quizzes, podcasts, or even YouTube videos. The idea here is to practice what you've learned, and it matters because practice is key to improving language proficiency. Let me explain why this matters. Notion's flexibility allows you to personalize your language learning experience. You can add, remove, or modify pages as you progress, making learning a new language engaging and manageable. So there you have it. That's how you can use Notion to learn a new language. From setting up your account to creating and organizing your learning materials, Notion has you covered. Remember, the key to learning a new language is consistency and practice. So make sure to use your Notion workspace every day. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.